I don't know about you, but I cannot get enough of some crispy fried chicken wings. And what if I told you you can get this level of crisp right out of your air fryer? Yes, these are crispy air fried chicken wings, and I'm going to show you how it is done. It is so easy and so delicious. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Leave your boy a like as well as a comment. Let me know what you think, and let's get started. To begin, we're going to be using about 2.5 pounds of chicken wings, and on the screen here I have a list of every single dry ingredient you're going to be needing to season up your chicken wings to perfection. And you know, around here we're heavy-handed with the seasoning, guys. We have to have our chicken tasting oh so delicious, so we're just gonna go crazy with it and let it fly, guys, just like so, and give it a nice little mix and get all that goodness on these chicken wings. Now it's time to get these bad boys all breaded up. Again, on the screen I have listed all the ingredients you're gonna be needing to get this done. So first, I'm gonna dip our chicken wings in the egg mixture. Then we're gonna dip it in our flour mix, and you're gonna then dip it back in the egg and then in the flour mix once more, so you get a nice double coating of that breading. And you could kind of get, you know, whatever rhythm you want to go with it. I did several chicken wings with one coating first, then I went back and gave them all a second coat, but you could kind of do it however you want. But basically you want to end up doing 2 coats of breading per chicken wing, guys. And I did this poll a million times. I know you guys love flats over drums, but guys, please elaborate. Why are flats so much better? I don't know, it's just something about them. I think they taste better. I don't know. But again, I want to give a special shout out to all of our channel members: CJ William, Blaney Bow, Dimple 1021, Nigel the Realist, Brandon Van Haltren, Ashley, Stacy. Love all you guys, really appreciate the support. Hit that join button down below and find out the many perks that we have to offer with our membership program, guys. So we're gonna load our chicken wings in the air fryer, and you wanna hit your chicken wings with olive oil spray. Very important. You could use another oil spray if you have, but it's very important because you're gonna get those the dry flour if you don't use it. So I made sure to spray it on both sides. I sprayed the first side before I loaded it up, and when I loaded it up, I put them down on the opposite side and then proceeded to coat the other side in olive oil spray. And I'm gonna cook this in our air fryer at 400 degrees for 10 minutes on the first side. Once that's done, you're gonna see me take it out, flip them, and then hit it with a little bit more olive oil spray. And like I said, if you have vegetables oil spray, you could use that as well. Any spray you have, that's oil cooking spray, you can use. And it's just very important, because if you don't, you're gonna get all those dry looking raw flour looking pieces on your chicken wings, and you don't want that. You want it to be nice, pretty, golden brown and beautiful. And like I said, you want to cook this for an additional 10 minutes on the other side. And this is the end result. So crispy, so juicy, so flavorful, so amazing. I say it every video because I mean it. I can't wait for you to try it because I know you're gonna love it. It's just so good. And another tip, some air fryers run hotter than others, so you might have to lower it to about 380 degrees or maybe a little bit lower depending on your air fryer, but end result should look just like this. So good. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you on the next one. Deuces.